Welcome to our tutorial on the scaling command. Scaling is the fourth command on the transformation toolbar. Let's explore the definition window. Under Element, I'll select Extrude 1. Under Reference Element, I'm going to right-click and create a point. Let's choose a point type. We'll select Circle Sphere Center. Now let's select the edge of this circle. And here is our point. Click OK. Under Ratio, I'll type 1.25. Click Tab. We have the option to hide or show the initial element. And we can check here to repeat the object after clicking OK. Let's leave it unchecked and click OK. Click OK again to keep all the sub-elements. Now let's right-click and delete this feature. OK. Let's activate the scaling command again. Choose Extrude 1 again for our element. The reference. Let's choose a plane this time. We'll choose the XY plane. Now, as you see, the scaling only happens in the Z direction. We can change the ratio simply by dragging this handle up or down. Let's select the reference plane again. This time I'm going to select the YZ plane. You see now the scaling function looks more like an extrude. Let's modify it again. Actually, let's cancel out of it. Now reactivate the scaling command and select Extrude 1 again. The ratio will leave at 1.25. Under Reference, let's right-click and create a plane this time. We're going to use this edge and this edge and click OK. Let's hide the initial element and click OK. Let's keep all sub-elements and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on the scaling command.